Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have brought such a website for you, which is a great website. If you place of a token on it, so you will have a lot of profit in the future. Let's start our video with friends all over the time. If you are new of my channel, before starting, subscribe my channel, like my videos and press the bell icon so that all my new videos coming in the future can reach you. If you want to join this website, after joining some such interface show you. तो फ्रेंड्स, आज जो मैं आप लोगों के लिए वेबसाइट लेके आई, ये बहुत ही कमाल की वेबसाइट है जिसका नाम है जेनेसिस नेटवर्क वी बिल्ड द फ्यूचर। द फर्स्ट ecosystems where you will have all the blockchain services unified on the same platform. We combine the DeFi blockchain technology ecosystem and community solution to create the fastest, most scalable and low gas DX for token transactions and NFT market. Launch app NFT marketplace. Genesis network, a decentralized platform with real solutions. The first DeFi platform that offers real solution to real problems. Our objective is to concentrate in the same environment all the possibilities that will resolve the problems presented in the current blockchains. Get all the blockchain services and products in one spot. NFT marketplace that protect the artist copyrights. We eradicate all the problems that cause lack of protection and security in existing platforms. Blue Lotus is our government's token, which gives holders their share of participation and decision making power within the ecosystem. Our tokens, Genesis Network and Blue Lotus token. Our tokens are the foundation of our ecosystem, each with its own characteristics, function. Genesis is the utility token and Blue Lotus is the government's token. Genesis will be essential to be able to trade within our DEX. Blue Lotus will facilitate the centralization of decisions in the ecosystem. We created on environments that comes hand in hand with the arrival of multi-chains. Our timeline roadmap 2022 Q1 March April. Project introduction to the community. Website launch, official social network launch, Twitter, Discord, Medium, Telegram, advertising, camping, token, IUD, t-shirt by T, detective, open zip line. Private pre-sales, Genesis, Blue Lotus, Public praises Genesis Blue Lotus 2022 Q2. Official release Blue Lotus DAO Genesis and Blue Lotus listing both in Blue Lotus DAO and PancakeSwap listing on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. Launch advertising campaign Genesis of Blue NFT project described opinion Genesis View app 2022 Q3 NFT marketplace Genesis of Blue influencer collaboration AMA with advisory board of directors 2023 integrations to the main net of Ethereum Polygon Oasis network says Coin Phantom and Polkadot official launch of Genesis blockchain testnet official presentation Blue Lotus Foundation implementation of the governance in the ecosystem. New integrations will be analyzed by the governance of the project and major updates will be expanded throughout the 2023 administration. Genesis Crypto Club NBA Blue Lotus DAO MASS Discerros employers ecosystem our platform SwapDex NFT marketplace Genesis View blockchain Genesis environments ecosystem Genesis View. This is the platform developed for investors to monitor the market within the Binance Smart Card, Polygon and Ethereum network. Blue Lotus DAO. This is the main DEX of our ecosystem which will affect the conversation between the different tradable assets. Blue Lotus token. Our governance token created by giving holders the ability to vote and make decisions within the ecosystem. NFT marketplace. It is the trusted place of our trading for all NFT creators providing security and copyright support. Blockchain is the main system where the largest number of products will be unified under the same environment. This is what creates and gives a unique identity to the entry ecosystem. Join community. Utility token name Genesis, ticker symbol GSYS. General description token BEP20 created on Binance Smart Chain Network by Token. Our brain team: Roland Polanco, CEO, founder, business administrator, trade entrepreneur, Bitcoin holder since 2012, Neurathorix, MBA, BSE, VP and NFT project leaders: Stephanie Nunes, Edwin Lobo, CMO and founder, Crypto Club, GM, business administrator, Virginia Broad, PhD, MPA, MS, Blue Lotus Foundation Chief Executive Officer, Jorge Messino, VP and Human Relations for South America, Business Administrator, Professional Coach, Francis Caricia, Advisory Board Member, ex-NBA player, Worldwide Sport Leadership, Aldo Pizarro, Lever, head of the legal department, blockchain lawyer with 5 years of experience, LLB graduation from the Catholic University of Santo Domingo, postgraduate degree in political science at UAST. Join Mobility, Community and Governance Manager, Genesis Network. Stay connected. सो फ्रेंड्स, आज की हमारी वीडियो यहीं तक थी। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मुलाकात होती है। अल्लाह हाफिज़।